I can see I'm in this thing again, man. You know what I'm saying? Just got paid last night, you know what I'm saying? I told y'all I needed a battery, you know what I'm saying? So I'm finna go up here, go buy a battery and stuff. Go up here and buy the battery. I'm gonna do an oil change on here too. I'm doing really like the maintenance for real. Like change the oil, I'm gonna change the battery. I'm gonna check all the other fluids and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Just doing the maintenance on it, you know what I'm saying? But y'all make sure y'all like the video, subscribe to the family, you know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and go on the road, man. Go get this stuff. Man, all the traffic. Finally got my hair did. Look, I'm done. I know people don't like my car around here. Too loud. It look like Dylan. Just pulled her to the spot. Ooh, sweet. They got the battery, man. God damn. I had to carry it over there, but yeah, new battery. 19, you know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. Woo! I'm tired. Oh, that junk hurt. Ain't that bad. And then it ain't had no straps on it, but oh well. Ain't had no straps on, no level, no nothing. I ain't feel like, what's it called? Look. Go ahead and get back on, huh? They think I'm going fast, so they think I'm going too fast. Everybody be looking at me crazy. My car is loud, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you. Man, this joint is hot as gorilla booty. Gorilla booty. Gorilla. You better like a gorilla. People looking at me crazy, I won't kill. They better like a gorilla. My car is street fight, what you expect? They car sound like a dog on rattling alternator. Need a new belt. Come on, man. I like her. This thing sound like a doggone gorilla. That thing sound like a gorilla. Y'all remember that on that movie called? What that movie called? Norbit. You go out and marry this gorilla. He said you go out and marry this gorilla. At the reception. I'm about to say, what my turn sitting there? It's already on. I ain't even know. You can't see me, I got 5% tint. Oh, yeah. I can look at you, but you can't tell I'm looking at you. They ain't even know it. Hope this van don't hit me in my rump. That's a rump. A new shifter ball looking real good, extra crispy. A little shiny. Alright, let me go and change the battery, man. You know what I'm saying? Let me get it out the car, let me change it and all that good stuff. Yeah, let me get the tools out the trunk. Yeah. Yeah, that was bad. It's about time for it to be changed. So, I Joe Land trying to get this thing on. The new one is in, you know what I'm saying? I gotta clean that terminal some more, but it old, man, I'm messed up. Put this one in the car, I gotta take this one back. Oh, that's all right. What are they looking at? I gotta take that one back. Alright, I'm back, y'all, you know what I'm saying? I had to set the clock and stuff. I had to set all that again. But it cranked right up for real. It cranked right up. But my check engine light gone now too. But that was just for the 02 cents. My car sound different too.